Hey guys, what's up? It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. So I am here with the life update. So I am actually currently working on like a bookmark. Not sure that I'm going to bring it to life, but the goal is to possibly bring something like it to life. But I always have to test stuff out at home first to see how they look before I just go all in it. So that's what I'm doing. I don't know when the last time I've done a life update. You guys know that we moved to Texas. My business has been going really good. I've been spending a lot of time on Clubhouse, but still making sure that I have my list of YouTube videos that I want to put out, and things that I want to talk about. So I'm still doing my best to do that. This past week I kind of fell off, so that's why you guys got the a lot of the podcast videos. Sorry, but I'm behind. So this video will go up count as a video. I recently did a fundraiser for my business, which went well. I got above what I was asking for. Also got some big news coming up soon as well. I was in a magazine. I'll leave the link for that below. What else? Yeah, I got my own club on Clubhouse. So if you guys are on Clubhouse, I'm talking about print on demand over there, and it's called Print on Demand Success Club. We have over 500 followers and members. So combined, I am reaching for 1,000 really soon. I'm almost at 1,000 followers on there as well. So again, follow me. One of the biggest things that I have been selling for my business so far this year is my Manifestos coin sticky notes. So it's a notepad. Yes, it's purple. So sorry guys. I do have a lighter color that is in my brand, so possibly. And then a lot of people have been buying the Manifestos coins affirmation cards. So they just have different affirmations on them, the front and back. Really good quality. So there you go. Also I have a PO box or mailbox or whatever you guys want to call it. I got one. So now that I have that, the people who have been asking can send me products. That's if it's a journal, a t-shirt, or other products in your business. I do want to show you guys 3 things that I purchased with my own money. So my friend Erica published her first book. It says You Smell Like Outside, and that's by Erica Alcox. She is from Charleston. Geechee girl, love her. She's a okra soup truth teller. I bought this. I'm not a man. This is for men, but I want to shout out to Ebony Deshay because she's been watching my journal videos and she was able to create this. She has been checking in on me on Clubhouse. She's been following, asking questions. So I bought one of her journals. I love this cover. So I think I bought it because of the cover versus that I didn't realize initially that it said it was for men. So I love the journal cover. And she did like a low content one. So she has like the journal sheets. She has some scriptures to write in there, just like scriptures for healing, anxiety, love, peace. Love this. So smart as well. And then Brianna, she is a graphic designer and she created this shirt. It's a barcode and it says creative. I don't know if y'all can tell. I hope y'all can tell that it says creative, but it says creative and then it just has like numbers, but she hand drew this barcode, and she's using print on demand as well to sell her products, and he has that logo on the back. So I can't wait to wear this because this is so dope, the fact that she drew out a barcode with her bare hands. So if you are just watching this video, make sure that you go ahead and I'm trying to do the bookmark and talk to y'all. Make sure you go ahead and check in the description box for all of the links of the things that I was talking about. Also my affiliate links. If you haven't started using BookBoat yet, use that. I'm going to put a few more app links up. I think I'm going to add Self and Robinhood, because I've been making money on that. Fetch, at Rewards. Actually, I'll put it in when I do that podcast episode. So my newest podcast episode is Top 5 Side Hustles. So when that video goes live, you'll also get the information of the websites that I use to make some additional income. So probably going to end this. So that was my little life update. What I got going on. I guess the most excited thing is the P.O. box, because I have been getting a lot of people ask me about that. So I'm excited to see what you guys have created or made and will send me. Of course, I'll be unboxing it like I kind of did these things on YouTube. Look out for some more reviews of different print-on-demand sites. I have a Threadless review coming soon. I'll have this video. And then I'm going to be ordering some weird products from some different print-on-demand sites and showing you guys the quality and what is possible in print-on-demand. So I love you more than I love this video. Peace.